Hey guys, it's me, Cool Kid Epic Gamer Time. Oh yeah. So today I'm doing a tutorial on how to do cool stuff in After Effects. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do more of this, but I'm doing it now. Deal with it. So today's tutorial is making an underwater thing. So first, let's get your little theme blogdabur, put it in there. You wanna new come from selection with that. So once you do that, it's down here. You want to get a particle background. I'll leave a link to the website where I got that. So we're going to start with the easiest part. You're going to want to click blending mode, add. See, now it's already a little blue. And so for this, first you might want to bring the opacity down depending on your choice. I don't really care. I bring it down because they're white little particle dot blah blah blah. So then this right here we have to go to here, levels. You want to put the levels thing right there. That level's not any of the other ones. Okay, now you can change it. I like to bring the black,
listen to me or perish.
The black a little lower. Makes it a little darker, which is kind of doing the exact opposite what it says. Oh, that's output black. I'm blind, but whatever. Deal with it. Okay, so now we have a little darker. And so now you want to go to selective color. And then you just want to plop that in there, and then put it on neutrals. So now you want to bring the cyan up, and see, now it's already starting to look blue. Now this is depending on your choice. You can bring up the magenta to make it a little darker blue. I like having a bit of magenta. I don't like it being like super cyan-y. I accidentally put it in the negatives. But the more blue you got, it's cool. It's better. It's too much. And now if you think, this isn't really selling it, it's just like that, it's not really selling it. So first, you're gonna go to, where are all these open? You're gonna want to go to distort. I don't know where it is. Okay, there it is. Then you're gonna want to go to mesh warp. Put the mesh warp on here. Now you're gonna want to move these little boys. You can bring the rows up. It doesn't really matter. You've got a general thing. If you want to add some noise, you can. I don't really care, and you can add like grain or whatever. Dust and scratches are cool. So let's go watch the video.